trying to learn how to get the flashlight to come on so that I can, but I'm new at this phone and making videos, so sorry y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna clean the rest of those little pieces out. Wait for Al, the boss, to get here with a new coupling. I'm gonna put this sucker together because here at Westway Ford, they are not washing any cars. And the ones they do wash, they're being washed by hand, which is a bummer. So I'm gonna get this job done as soon as possible. This car wash is provided by ZacTech, great company. And like I said, these machines, if you want to buy a machine, make a lot of money putting it somewhere, buy one of these. You won't have to spend all that money on labor if you just want to put in a little elbow grease. They're very easy to fix, and you can run them all day and all night. And they got good tech support. If you don't know how to do something, you call them up, man, they'll tell you how to do it right off. Bam! So, I recommend these machines if you want to start up a car wash business. Alright, let me get back to it.